Most people get this wrong. They think savings apps are boring. Optima Savings in 2026 proves that's not the case. With automated features, goal tracking, and real-time insights, it turns saving into an effortless and rewarding process. Optima allows you to create multiple financial goals like an emergency fund, a vacation, or home down payment. The app automatically allocates money toward each goal based on your income and spending patterns. This automation helps you save consistently without thinking about it, and even small contributions can grow surprisingly fast. The app also offers spending insights and predictive alerts. It monitors bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses, notifying you if adjustments are needed to prevent overdrafts for overspending. The dashboard provides a clear visual overview of your finances, so you always know your progress. Security is a priority. Optima uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available through chat or phone. The main limitation: Optima focuses primarily on savings and personal finance. It's not a full investment or banking platform, but if your goal is to save efficiently, manage money intelligently, and achieve financial goals with ease, it's an excellent choice. So, is Optima Savings worth it in 2026? Definitely for anyone looking for a modern, secure, and automated way to grow their savings. Subscribe to stay informed about the best finance apps for smart money management.